Good morning. It's day 12. It's a Monday. Just packed up camp and I'm heading out. Big day today, 23 kilometers. Quite a bit of it's road, so it's a big push for me. Anyways, we'll see how far I go. I'm going with a guy named Simon, and see if I can get you some views. Anyways, I'll update you later if I see anything. And yeah. Okay. First view in the morning, everybody. I have a picture. We're at a salmon run. You can view the salmon, and these guys down here, they trap them and count them.
Oh, they have two here.
Oh.
Like that. You see it?
Yeah, he's big. Look at him.
Oh, they are. Oh my God! It's here.
Oh, there's 20 of them.
Here.
Look at them all. Yeah. Look at them all. Let me see if I can zoom in and catch them.
Oh my God! They have a lot.
They're everywhere. There they go. There goes one.
Oh.
Yeah, salmon are running. They're big. Damn, they're big. And then they die. They go up and they drop their eggs and they die, right?
Not sure if the fish die after that, but the guy said to me, keep the fish in this area for.
Hello everyone. Well, we stopped for lunch in St. Alexandre de Lac. There is actual shelter here, but I decided to go on to Amqui, to the shelter there, and ride out the storm tonight. There's supposed to be rain tonight and tomorrow, so that's going to be interesting. It's going to make the trails muddy. But anyway, it's the only update I have for you. I'll update you as I continue on. Okay. Good evening, everyone. It's close to midnight. After St. Alexandra, Simon and I split up. He took off, he took the long way around and decided to hit that shelter. I took an alternate trail and took the road straight into Amqui. Total 27 kilometers. I am wiped. I mean, I am just wiped. I'm gonna grab a quick shower. I just checked in to a hotel here, the only one I could find in town. Took me an hour just to find one. It had a room. So I'm just gonna grab a quick shower, go to bed. Definitely taken to zero. This was my biggest day, and it was hot, and I'm just cooked. I didn't get to eat any supper, so just gonna have to wait, I guess. Anyways, I'll catch up with you in the morning. Definitely a zero, but I'll give you a little update on what's going on. So, good night all.